Hey everyone, I'm Troglodyte from Simple Trade, and today I want to talk with you about the stock RETC. This ticker made more than 2000%, after which it crashed down and lost almost all its value. I want to show you why, but before we start, a short explanation about custodianships. A custodian is someone who tries to take control of a company and find new management that will succeed better than the previous one. Sometimes the custodian is faced with resistance from the previous management. So let's go. Let's check OTC markets. We see that an 8K was filed on the 1st of April, and no, it's not a joke. The 8K states that the company is trying to get back to a good standing and become current and fully reporting. At the time, the company was delinquent with its filings. That 8K could give us a hint that the custodianship case would not go without a fight here. More on that later. Let's go. The next thing that happened was George Sharp's tweet on the 26th of April, stating that he will try to take custodianship of RETC. That is the reason for the significant rise that actually started several days before, probably because someone suspected the ongoings behind the scenes. 2.5 weeks later, the company released another 8K, this time stating that they have hired the services of a new auditing firm in order to file all the necessary filings by the SEC's deadline. Now that may sound as good news, but for those that believe in George Sharp's custodianship efforts, it was extremely bad news, as he will face significant resistance from the current company management, thus the decrease in value. Finally, on the 25th of May, the court denied the custodianship by George, which caused the stock to fall back to its previous levels with a significant gap down. And so, my friends, we can see that one must always stay vigilant and take advantage of opportunities while having a deep understanding of the material. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Make sure to subscribe and join the Discord community of Simple Trade if you want to receive more valuable material.